Listen, I told Nancy, yo, come correct or don't come at all, man. You feel me? Like, I'm just like, yo, I'm just keeping it funky. These niggas out here trying to wild out and tell me that I can't do the motherfucking State of a Junior shade of dress, motherfucking whatever the fucking shit is called.
Sir?
Yeah,
Sir?
What's up? What's good? What's up?
I don't know if you...
First of all,
I'm sorry.
You came in the room and you did not address me as Trumpito El Gorbito.
I'm sorry, Mr. Trumpito El Gorbito.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Continue.
Can I kiss the ring?
Yes, you may. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry about that. Have you
That
seen
was
the
my
news?
penis.
Okay. Sorry. Have you seen the news?
What news? What is that? Was it fake news?
No.
Was it fake news?
It's real news.
There's no such thing as real news. It's
real
all
news.
fake. It's all fake. Did you see it on television?
Damn it, Mr. Trump. Roger Stone got knocked. The whole operation shot.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
He's pinched.
FBI picked him up this morning. He's going to sing like a Jay Bird this afternoon.
They pinched.
He didn't avoid the bookings.
Oh, my God. Did he ask for a lawyer?
No.
Did he ask for Michael Cohen?
No. Michael Cohen's nowhere to be found. Remember you threatened to beat up his wife?
Oh, fuck.
They're coming for us, man.
Melania, flush the dope.
I'm not going down. I'm not dying for you, niggas.
Steven, get the gasoline. Burn this motherfucker down. We gotta burn this shit down. Get the Bodega Boys in here.
I'm not going to jail.
Let's blame it on them. I'm not cuffing up again. No, fuck that. I'm not locking in. If next time they take me in, it's in a motherfucking body bag. You're not taking Trumpito alive. Put me in a box, motherfucker. But don't put me in a 12x12 box. You feel me? This is episode 144 of the Bodega Boys, the most illustrious podcast in the world. I might be singing this from jail, but shout out to my nigga Takashi. One time, Stiffy with the blicky. Do the fucking drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yeah, it was episode 144 of the most dangerous podcast in the world. Only podcast you'll listen to that will audioly cut your face.
That's right.
Give you a Peckham smile.
Yeah.
A Brixton smile, right? Episode 144 live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios. We got a live studio audience.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. People in the building.
We in the building.
It's getting hot because turn off the AC.
You know what I'm saying?
Hopefully I get some sweat pits going on here. Get the wild degree endorsement, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Actually, no, I'm going natural, so I need tussy. Oh. Tussy, a deodorant when you want to try it.
Tussy?
Tussy is the LaCroix. What is it, LaCroix?
The LaCroix?
Tussy is the LaCroix of deodorants. It's a touch of deodorant.
Is it spelled like pussy but with a T?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. When I was a kid, I was confused because people were like, use the tussy. I was like, what?
What?
Y'all niggas put pussies on you? I was very confused about sex. I was like, yeah, ma, lift your armpit. Yeah.
Oh, that's why the armpit looks just like it. Oh, yeah. I get it now.
Yeah.
Oh.
On some, like, I mean, if you want to be a nasty nigga, on some, like, bigger chicks on the train, like, in the summer.
They got the arm choach.
They got the arm choach. You look at you like, yeah.
I could do work on that.
And then, you know, if you get close enough to, still got that, it got that same kind of.
Yeah, you just see the hairs like just spreading, like
chilling. Just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
Well, we are garbage.
We are garbage individuals, but look how high we've gone in life. So it's too late to stop us now.
Ha!
How you feel?
You're the back, stupid. Ha ha!
Get some business out the way in the beginning. Shout out to Cash App. You know what it is. Ching, paying them fucking bills. Shout out to Smart Water. Apparently, you're sponsoring this episode because you're on the table. So stop cutting Jennifer Aniston checks and cut the Bodega Boys.
You know what I'm saying?
Is she still moving the social needle?
Come on.
When's the last time you were like, yo, I'm buying a product? What does Jennifer Aniston
What does Jennifer Aniston? I forgot what she looked like, bro. I just remember her hair was a thing.
Yeah, with the Rachel.
Like, fam. Yeah. Like, yo, come on, B. If your hair was the most important part of your career, my nigga, I don't know if you should be having multiple endorsements, especially for products that we as ethnic people use, like lotion. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Why the fuck you got a white lady talking about, oh, my skin is so ashy, I need to use a Vino.
You know what? If you are white and ashy, yeah, you just need a transfusion.
Yeah, fam.
You just need a straight bag, like right through you.
IV, like you need a fucking Shea Moisture IV.
Oh man, nah, they know what they doing. You know what? If you see black people using lotion, like you like, whoa, that's not for me. That's not for me. All right, should they be racist and start making different lotions for different races?
You know what I'm saying? White people race this shit is just mayonnaise.
It's just like
the little Helmut's mayonnaise packets. Like,
oh wow,
yeah. It's non-greasy. Absorbs right into my epidermis.
just terrible. I can't.
Can't take me anywhere.
Can't take you anywhere. You come with that problematic sauce. You put that shit on everything. Oh man.
Yeah. Yo, the Knicks lost, but they covered, so they won. You know
Shout out to my Knicks.
You know what I'm saying? Out here,
you know what I mean?
we stopped them.
They stopped James Harden from breaking the only thing us Knicks fans have.
Yes.
Which is Melo's scoring
record, yes.
point per game record. Shout out to Gene in the building. We was in the building for that. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Gang, gang.
That was actually Kemba Walker wasn't playing that night. But you know what? We'll take it.
But you know what? I saw a video. I found to YouTube Vortex, and there was a dude who made a very salient point of like, yo, nigga, if you think it's that easy to drop 62, go to your local rec league gym with regular dudes and drop 50. You know what I'm saying? Like, go ahead. You know what I mean? Because people were saying like they're comparing that to like Wilt Chamberlain and like averaging 50 points a game and shit like that. And they were like, yeah, he's playing against Milkman and Mailman and shit. But like in reality, like if you play ball, like you still have to play ball. Like, you know what I mean? Like you can't be whack and drop 50. You know what I mean?
That's
like,
true. See, I don't really play real sports. I just play online sports.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not trying to be physical.
Because when I heard that video, I was like, "Are you stupid? I dropped 50 last night with fucking Steph Curry in the first quarter."
My created character, Desus Curry. Shots from half court.
Oh no, Mero Martinez is 99.
Okay,
everything.
99 everything. Fade away underneath the hoop.
6'6" guard from Fordham University, Mero Martinez.
Yes.
You crazy? He's the scoring champ.
Oh wow. So the government's still shut down.
Yeah.
That's kind of whack.
Shut the government down. You know what I'm saying?
Like people got their second paycheck for $0.
$0.
That's when you get a gun.
$0.
That's when you gotta go see your boss. Like, yo, what's up? What's up?
Yep.
We really doing this?
Yo, word?
Yo, you sit down.
Yo.
Now we having a staff meeting right now, my nigga.
Guess what? I'm the feds. If you think about it in a roundabout way, so sit your fucking ass down and cut that hard check right now, B. Is that a computer? Generate a check, motherfucker. Or Venmo me, nigga.
I'm gonna introduce you to HR. Hurts, right? Shoot the nigga with me, like, yo.
I'm introduced to HK, nigga. Gotcha.
But then you can't shoot your boss because your boss isn't getting paid as well. So you got to go to the person not paying you.
Yeah.
It's Trump and McConnell. And McConnell chilling in his turtle shell.
Like, I don't know her. I don't know her.
Damn, shit fucked up, man.
I'm getting paid.
he doesn't care.
He's like that gif of the guy getting in the car, like, and closing the door behind him. Like, you fucking dick.
Yeah, he don't care.
He don't give a fuck, man.
He's worth $26 million.
Come on,
so,
man. How you worth $26 million? Bro, you about to die, nigga. Give some of that money away, bro. Let me hold like 5,
they
bro.
They be mad close to death with like $70 billion. So they just, you don't even spend it.
Come on, dog.
You know, these old guys.
And they have like one kid and shit, like, and that kid's a straight asshole. You like, yo, that kid don't deserve that $70 billion, man. Fuck out of here, yo.
You know they not have. Them rich guys ain't having good sex.
Nah,
they're having like.
Them rich niggas ain't have no good sex. Rich niggas ain't have no good sex.
Nah, because they're having sex with the women that they find attractive.
Oh yeah,
but those women only find them attractive because of their money. So
exactly. It's like, yo, come on.
You know how much money it's gonna take for you to let Jeff Bezos spit in your mouth during sex?
Oh,
like you want that visual? He's just over you. He's like, yeah, but yeah, open your mouth.
Jeff Bezos looks like a fucking diesel baby. Like, I'm like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like a wild diesel toddler. Like, nigga, first of all, why do you wear military vests everywhere?
Because he wants to seem tough. He's worth a lot of money. And he probably heard us talk about robbing him every week on this podcast. Some niggas would run up. And you know he's wild depressed because he just lost his bitch. So he wants that smoke with us.
Fam, he might be at a fucking like Gregory's Cafe or some shit right now, just like crying into a macchiato. We can sneak him. Damn, you know what I'm saying? Imagine we make that nigga go to ATM and be like, yo, take out $70 billion.
It's like 200 is the daily limit. I was like, I know another ATM.
I know another one.
We going all day, baby.
Field piece.
We just ransack his house, flip the mattress. Like, where's the money?
Where's
He's like,
the fucking money?
I don't have the $70 billion. Niggas just pistol whipping him. Like,
get the fucking $70 billion, nigga.
Come up with something. We just end up leaving with mad Alexas and shit.
Alexa's like, calling 911. Calling 911. Calling 911.
He's got a gag tape to Alexa in the car. I'm like, we did not think this through.
Calling 911. Calling 911.
Shit definitely got GPS in it. We still too
smashing them and shit in the back of the car.
We still two Amazon Prime memberships. I'm like, fuck that.
Fuck that,
I'm
nigga.
not paying for shipping.
I don't
no
give a fuck, nigga. I'm getting the Pearl 2-day delivery.
I'm gonna go home and watch Baby Driver on my laptop.
Yeah.
Nobody. They were making a point about it. There was like no one needs over $1 billion, which
you don't. You really? I mean, like, listen.
As most people, when you hear that, you kind of cringe. Like, I would like over $1 billion, but there's no point of having over $1 billion. Like,
it's just
at that point, you're just being greedy.
Yeah, it's a pissing contest.
And to quote our benevolent father, who just got out of jail this morning, DMX, stop being greedy, give to the needy.
Keep it real,
because
partner.
the white albino is coming through.
That's right,
like a rhino.
That's right. The snake, the rat, the cat, the dog. How you gonna see him if you living in the fog? Yo, DMX is a philosopher.
No, he was on a lot of crack.
Yeah, that's true.
He was on a lot of crack.
But crack, to be fair, crack will make you wild philosophical.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
That's true. That's true.
And very loving too. Like, your father was a good guy. You know what I'm saying? Like he's a nice man.
You remind me of him.
You remind me of him.
You know what I liked what he used to do? He always used to give me money when he saw me.
That's right.
You should do that.
You should do that too.
Yeah.
And let me tell you something about your father. Me and him, we was the only people escape Happy Land.
Wow.
That's it.
Look at this. I burned my arm.
Look at my arm. That's not track buns. That's burns.
There's a crackhead by our old bodega. Every time when I used to walk my dog before he died, like she would always stop. Like he'd run to her and pet her. And the other day I see her, I was like, God damn. This crackhead outlived my dog. I was like, damn.
Nigga, crackheads are gonna outlive everybody, bro.
She wasn't like fucked up in the game and all. She was just chilling. It was like 11 degrees. She had on a t-shirt. She was just like, yo, what's up?
Like, yo, what's
chilling in Cedar Rapids.
Yeah, like macking. Yo, crackheads have no they're reptilian, B.
Yeah.
Like you see them in the
They just lower their blood temperature for the season.
You know what I'm saying?
Like hanging out.
Yeah, and then when it's
they
sunny,
slow their motions.
Yeah, and then when it's sunny, they just stand in the sun for a little bit.
Like
and
on a rock sunning. Like, we back.
We back,
baby.
Woo!
Let's go steal some copper.
You see him at the bodega, copping Mac King Cobras and shit.
Oh, it's lit. It's lit. They bring the beers to the counter. Poppy don't know if they're paying this time or not. She's like, Roseanne, don't do this again.
Come on.
She got the old crumpled dollars. Like, I got money this time.
I got money, motherfucker. What are you talking about? Stop it.
You trying to play me like I don't got money.
You trying to call me some kind of crackhead? Like, yes.
And then she turns around and talks to the audience of people waiting behind her. Like,
look at this motherfucker disrespecting me. You feel me? I'm coming. My money's green just like yours.
Roseanne, get out the bodega.
All right, Megan. Right, Megan? Megan's like, yeah. I just like to get my seaweed chips and go, please.
She's like, do you guys have Japanese breadcrumbs?
Poppy's like, what you mean?
Japanese breadcrumbs?
What's that?
You know?
The Chinese people cross, they over there. Nigga put to the Chinese spot across the street like, yo. No. She's like, yeah, no, those are two totally different cultures.
Like, no, you know what you do? You slant your eyes while you cook them. And you're like, Poppy, that's not PC.
That's not PC, Poppy. Poppy's like, get PC, ni PC. I have a Macintosh computer. I have a Macintosh. I have a touch. I can touch it. Fuck out of here.
Listen, being PC don't really apply to the bodega.
No.
Actually, being PC at the bodega will get you skipped in line.
Straight up. Straight up.
Because niggas don't respect rules. Niggas don't respect rules, and that makes you seem soft.
They're not here
if you
for
come
that.
in like, oh, excuse me, pardon, did you order already? Like, nah, nigga. Come in with your chest out, your dick out, like, yo,
what up, yo?
Like, Poppy could have a full-fledged conversation. Be like, yo, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese, man. Jalapenos, the tomatoes.
Yeah.
Let me get a ketchup with 3 sugars, a little bit of milk.
Yo, matter of fact, and yo, before you throw the shit on the bun, nigga, throw the bun on the grill for a second real quick.
Nothing worse than to be like, yo, you ordered yet? What, yo, bacon, egg, and cheese? Like, don't even get the nigga Jesus answer.
Yo, let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese on a hero, B. Ketchup and a little bit of mayonnaise. You know what I'm saying? Because I like the little creaminess.
Put that shit on a bun like this nigga. It's like
fucking burger. Dude is just like, hey, I'm just going to school. I don't understand.
I was told that Pratt has a Bronx conference. Like, no, nigga.
Fam.
There's a strip club called Pratt, nigga. They be designing shit with they pussies.
I believe you confused Pratt with Brat, which is readily available in Bronx.
On the top of Gun Hill Road. Damn, Roger Stone really going to jail. He has a Nixon tattoo on his back.
Wow. Like on the Steve-O status? Like the whole back?
Not the whole back, but just kind of on the top. He thought that shit was cool.
So his wife could see while she's pegging him?
I mean...
She's like, Nixon was my fave.
To this day.
You got to be more considerate with your back tattoos. Because that's the tattoo you never see.
That's what I'm saying.
But the person behind you sees
They
it.
always see it. When you're at the beach, motherfuckers is looking at your back like,
yo,
this nigga got a fucking
This nigga got a free Tekashi 6ix9ine back tattoo?
What the fuck, bro? Shit. Are you serious? How much did that cost? It's a lot of colors.
That's wow. It says on the bottom, it says Blicky, free the Blicky with the sticky.
Free the Blicky with the sticky. Sad. The
color in his hair had to come out by now.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, his hair got to be normal now.
His roots are showing crazy.
Yeah,
right now.
He got mad new growth.
He's like, oh my god. He's in prison. Like, no. He's like, no, take a picture of it. No, stop.
I look terrible.
Stop. I look terrible. Let me get a hat.
Oh.
Okay, go. The niggas behind him is just like doing the wild jail poses and shit. He's just like,
yeah, he probably doesn't have like the VO5 shit for the oil. Like, just got mad split ends and shit.
Yeah, no flat iron in there and shit.
Sad.
Like, yo, sad, man. Nigga made a flat iron out of 2 batteries and wire.
People talk about, like, when you go to jail, about the living conditions and how we got to get rid of, like, pre-trial, like, incarceration and shit.
Yeah.
Nah, niggas need hair products, fam.
That's it,
That's
bro.
all it is.
Maybe
imagine you go to jail with a conch. You know what I mean?
Imagine that could be our charity, B. Hair products
for guys and for people going to jail.
Yeah.
So you be sending them like chemi oil and castor oil and do-rags and shit.
Little beard oil and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Niggas looking nice.
You know what I mean? Sporting waves for my niggas that still trying to keep it spinning while they lock down.
A lot of people don't know this. If you have waves when you go to court, you have a 32% chance of getting off.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's true.
Knowledge, you know what I'm saying?
It's bad enough because in the Constitution it says you can't give someone double jeopardy.
Yep.
But do you realize prisoners are not allowed to have earpods?
Wow. See, that's something we got to change in this
That's
country.
not fair.
We got to change that in this country.
That's not fair, man.
We got to change that.
They got to live that life of poverty.
To this day.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Apple, stop being cowards and open the Apple store on Rikers Island.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now, do it.
Imagine how tight you go to Rikers Island and try to get a Genius Bar appointment. They're like, like in 2 weeks.
Yeah. You're like, yo, who?
They're like, what seems to be the problem? I was like, yeah, I turned my iPad into a shank.
Okay. Let's see here. Do you have it with you?
Yeah, it's in my butt.
Okay. Let's go ahead and open your butt. Do you have the password?
Yeah.
It's case sensitive.
Okay, I can't tell you that.
Okay.
Let's fix my iPad, nigga.
Let me see what I can do for you here. Let me go disappear into the back for 6 hours and leave you here standing. I'll be back.
Wow. Apple Store slander.
Yo, nah, I only go to one Apple Store ever now.
Which one?
The shit I go to St. Plaza because like 5 people know me there. So now I'm just like.
This nigga said 5 people know me.
Yeah,
this nigga said it in a flex. He was like, "Yo, my name rings bells in the Garden State Plaza Apple Store."
I'm like Nino Brown when I walk in that bitch.
Nigga walk by the fucking Panda Express because it's dropping mad Chinese food. Like,
I'm the only nigga with a fucking shopping cart at the Apple Store and shit. I'm just like taking all the AirPods. Like,
wow.
Yeah, we rich. What's up? Rich gang.
He's like, all my kids got AirPods.
I thought I got AirPod earrings and shit with AirPods in.
Oh shit! Nigga said the Garden State Mall Plaza.
Yo, shout out to GSP.
Was that the cool nickname for it, GSP? Or did you start a gang there?
Yo, GSP mob.
GSP mob.
Yo.
You see the Chick-fil-A? That's us, nigga.
Don't step on his turf, B.
Yo, anybody in that fucking purple parking zone, it's a sight.
Yo, fam, if you on level 2 G parking,
that's fam, my spot.
That's our corners. You know what I'm saying?
Does it have that parking where you have to like when you pay when you get back to your car, you got to pay to leave?
That mall is wild. it's a microcosm of America because there's like they got JCPenney and they got Marshalls and shit like that, but then they also got like Neiman's and like Gucci and Louis and all that shit. And if you want to get to the side that's like Neiman and Gucci and Louis, they got like the valet service and like all that other shit. But if you want to just go to like the regular Target and shit, it's like nigga park your own car outside, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's just like wow. I was like wow, this is very classist.
The class struggle.
Yeah. I'm gonna run for mayor based on that.
Mayor of where?
I don't know. Some Jersey.
All of Jersey?
I'll be like, I'm the mayor of New Jersey, and niggas just got accepted and shit.
Cory Booker's like, he called it.
He called it. Yeah.
In the bylaws, it says like
he called dibs.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, the Jersey. What would be the first thing you do as mayor?
Re-legalize weed because niggas told me that weed was legal. And then
it's legal, but by county they could not make it legal. So
I'm like, yo,
niggas are scared of weed. Did you see Bloomberg came out and was like, legalizing weed is insane?
Of course,
which is problematic. First of all,
of course he would say that.
You little weasel.
Come on, bro. Like I hear that type of shit every Passover. Seder.
You know what? I think Bloomberg.
It would be absolutely. It would be unconscionable to legalize marijuana in New York City. Do you know that? Unbelievable.
And he wanted to do like the congestion pricing. But you know what it is? A little dweeb like Bloomberg, he doesn't have a good weed connection.
Yeah.
You gonna trust him?
You smoking that haraka,
He's smoking that Reggie.
You know what I'm saying?
He's smoking that trash that look like a carpet sample
He's smoking that haraka.
Yo, you know his weed man makes him wait at least 2 hours. He'd be like, I'll be there in 15.
I'll be there in 15. Yo. Stupid.
He was like, but you said that 2 hours ago.
Yo.
I'm on the corner.
Yo.
It's mad hot out here. I'm in a sweater.
Yo. And he's just sending yo messages.
Yo.
Like, what are you, fucking Soldier Boy?
Yo. Fucking connect lies to him with an excuse that don't even make no sense. He was like, yo, traffic.
Yo, traffic is crazy. He's like, you in my building.
Like, yo.
Elevator traffic. Yeah, you know
what I'm saying? Even worse, the connects are doing that bullshit countdown. That's not really accurate.
Yeah,
he's like, yo, I'm 5 minutes out.
Yo, 5 minutes wait.
20 minutes later.
3 hours later.
Yo, I'm pulling up. Nope. Narrator's voice. That was a lie.
I'm laughing because I was that guy with the and shit. Like, yeah, I'll be there in 20 minutes.
I mean, as a former distributor, I would say that the more your client is paying, the faster you're inclined to work.
That is a fact.
But if they're just getting like the league minimum, come on, man. I gotta brush my teeth, put on a fresh shirt, drive over.
If I'm not already out there and my man Crab is not in the car waiting for me, yo, I'm not going to your crib for a dub. Sorry. You know what I'm saying? Go call Julio, nigga, or take a fucking cab over town. Stop playing with me.
Damn.
40 or better.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
I was doing, listen.
40 or better?
200.
That's what niggas is starving. Yo,
40 or better?
40 better. I'll go to Brooklyn to sell a nigga a 40.
God damn, that's the kind of drugs you get arrested for, and you be in jail tight
like,
and no one else but yourself. You got a lot. Niggas be like, what happened? Oh, they called me mad bricks.
Yo, it was like a half a brick, yo. And that
nigga got caught with a nickel bag.
Oh, shit.
Niggas heckle you in court and shit. Man. Next up, it's Lightweight McGee versus the state of New York.
He's not moving no weight at all.
Your Honor, this guy was moving such a pathetic amount of weed. We don't even want to like press charges against him.
Can we just dismiss this asshole and let him go back to his block and be ridiculed?
You just want to point at him and laugh.
They just bring all the niggas from your block that was the OGs and I'm like, this little nigga punk.
The judge flips down his glasses like Ray J is like, this nigga selling Reggie.
Yo,
they call Reggie because of Reggie Miller.
Really?
I just made that up.
Oh shit!
Let's run with that. Let's run with that. Yeah, that sounds good enough, right?
Shit.
He is trash, right?
He's absolute trash, and he has. I never want anybody to ever forget that my man has the sun tattooed around his belly button.
I mean,
and that is his only tattoo.
Yeah, I mean, he's, you know, that's a different tattoo,
fam.
I myself personally would not go to the tattoo parlor and ask for that, but
and be like, yo, let me get a sun around my belly button, sun around the belly. That proves you lost already. And also, I guarantee you, Cheryl beat him playing 21 at least 9 times out of 10.
Probably,
you know
I can see that.
Absolutely,
I can see that.
You know what I'm saying?
Have you watched the Fire Fest of any of them yet? You still behind, my nigga?
I'm still behind, bro. I gotta.
How we supposed to move the zeitgeist if you ain't moving the zeitgeist?
I gotta get a Hulu plug because you told me you were like, yo, you have to watch the Hulu one first and then the Netflix one. So I don't want to.
I think they're all plugged in. Like I don't know. the bills magically pay themselves, like Donald Trump says. So like, I just logged into Hulu. Donald Trump said the other day, he was like, "Yo, if you're not getting groceries, go to the grocery store and just like tell them, and they'll give you a loan." My nigga, this is not Red Dead Redemption. I'm not going to the general store to get a sack of fucking flour.
What the fuck is this? Is this 1910?
Hey, Mr. Miller, the government shutdown has me a little stretched. You think I could borrow some corn grade on $1?
Evening, Mr. Miller. You mind if I put a grain of rice on my tab?
I'm good for it.
I'm good for it. I'm making horseshoes right now.
Your kid's just outside playing with the wackest game ever, the fucking circle with the stick.
The thing,
throwing it around. That's not a toy, nigga.
Damn, that shit hurt my heart. I played with that shit all through my youth in DR and shit. Like, yo.
Poor.
Just hitting that shit with the stick down the street. Like, yo, damn, nigga. Like, I'm in another county by the time I'm like, I realize it and shit. I'm like, yo, what the fuck am I doing? Let me turn around before I get eaten by feral dogs.
That shit. What did you have? The I forgot what it was, like maybe half a coconut or whatever, and the little ball was on the string. But your parents made it from like a pear or some shit. I was like, nigga, we have video games in America. What is this shit?
What is this shit, bro?
I was like, I'm impressed you climbed the tree and pulled down a pear and made like a souvenir for a white person.
Appreciate
you expect
that.
me to play with this shit?
I want to play with this shit.
I am a Yankee.
Stop.
Okay, now I'm gonna take Mad Imodium tablets so I don't have to use the outhouse.
Exactly.
Because y'all niggas is bugging.
Y'all bugging.
Y'all shitting in a hole in the ground. Couldn't be me.
I remember the first time I was like, Mommy, why are you boiling water? She's like, don't worry about it.
I was like, I don't need no mosquito nets. I lifted one. Mosquito was like, yo, come here, little nigga.
Come here, little nigga. I'm gonna roast you.
It was like Bird Box. It was like, come here. Come here. Let me bite you.
Yo.
Because if you think about it, when you visit like other countries, being American, your blood is like top shelf liquor to mosquitoes.
Oh my God. Yo.
They like, yo, it's my birthday. Let's do shots.
Oh, yo.
This nigga from New York.
Yo, yo, I got that Don Julio.
Okay.
It's really a nigga
fucking
named
mosquito
Julio.
bite you, be like, oh, mouthfeel.
Ooh.
It creeps up on you.
They got your blood in a little wine glass. Like,
Yeah.
oh, notes of marijuana.
Oh.
Is that Adderall?
I see that you just consumed some doodle. Can I suggest a Cabaret Mero to go with?
Yes. Thank you. Let's see it. Let's try it. Can I have a sample?
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
Buzz.
Oh. Oh, this is...
It's fantastic. There's notes of marijuana.
It's soft.
Yes.
Oh, it sits very
soft.
It sits lovely on the palate.
Okay, you might detect fluoride, which they have in America, we don't have down here.
Oh,
It's
amazing.
delicious.
Yeah, my father told me something about fluoride, but I'm not going to repeat it because, you know.
Problematic. Think about it, we ain't have fluoride in Africa.
You know what I'm saying?
A lot of stuff people say we didn't have in Africa. If you Google, we did. Well, they'd be like, "Yo, we had computers," but it'll be like an abacus or some shit. Like, that's not really the same.
I'm like, it's not the same. Like, I can't get Pinot on an abacus.
You can if you are inventive enough.
If you're mad good at like ASCII and
Yeah,
shit, like
just moving really fast. Be like, yo, this is a titty. Keep moving. They got the cum scene like,
Yeah, that just reminded me of that song Lil' Kim, where she was like, "That's how many times I want to come." 21,
and another one.
and another one. Imagine her getting choking you with an
I mean,
abacus.
that sounds
Like,
good,
1,
but that sounds
2,
exhausting.
3. Yo, you want to buzz the nut 21 times?
No, after the third time, like, yo, go home.
Yo,
Like, nah, we ain't doing this all night.
Like, this is.
Nigga, I gotta go to work in the morning.
Is this abuse now at this point? Like,
Another one?
like, really?
DJ Khaled pussy out of here. Another one.
Yeah, I'm like, yo, my dick actually feels like it's like I ground it and
Yeah.
like you gotta
Like you're making it with the KitchenAid mixer?
yeah,
Through the
like,
pasta attachment?
I'm like, yo, chill.
Like, yeah.
Let me just put this shit in the ice bucket, in the hotel ice bucket.
Put it in
for
the
like
ice
20 minutes.
bucket and make it like shit sound like a steakum when you put it on the fucking frying pan. Smoke alarm goes off, you gotta start fanning it like
Oh shit!
yelling out in the hole, I'm cooking to your neighbors. I'm cooking, sorry.
Something smells like bacon.
I'm cooking, I'm sorry. I was beating up that pussy.
You in the hallway like hot cock. Hot cock.
You gotta use fucking WD-40 high viscosity oil as lube and shit. It's like a get good cold starts in the winter.
You know what I'm saying? Dick got auto start.
You gotta go boop, boop, before you come in the bedroom. Don't be trying to use WD-40 as lube.
No.
Also, if she lets you use that, she a freak.
Yeah.
She a freak. Or she might be a transformer.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You might be fucking.
You might fucking a GoBot. Take that dick, Bumblebee.
Yeah. Hold on. You blow the back out, and all of a sudden you hear. Like, yo,
oh shit!
What the fuck? Oh,
yo, this nigga's fucking a beetle. He got a dick in the tailpipe.
Yo, this nigga's fucking a cassette tape.
Yo, I'm telling Optimus Prime.
Yo, not for nothing. That would be the most popular transformer to fuck because they got the 2 holes. You know what I'm saying?
You seem to have put a lot of thought into this.
I was just off the top because I'm smoking that OG lemon kush. Shout out to the gas man.
Wow, this nigga fucking a tape. This nigga talking about a sex tape. This nigga talking about sexing the tape.
A sex tape.
Wow.
Shut the sound wave.
Chump's like, tell me more.
Yeah.
Is there pee involved?
Yeah. What is the viscosity of the hole?
Yeah. Nasty. Grinding.
Damn, bro.
But kids don't know what tapes are anymore, right?
They should.
No, what?
It's like now, you know what it is? I think they know now because it's become like iconography. You know what I'm saying? Like when every time they try to show something that's old school, like they show like a cassette tape, a bucket hat.
But see, to them, like that's way past them. For them, their cassette tape would be like the those little. Remember, it was like little
the
clips?
mini discs.
No, little clips that played 7 seconds of a song, and you put it in your little keychain, and they were like Hanson Mbop.
Oh my!
It was a mad rip off, and like people was like, "Mom, buy this for me." And you just see like, "Spice up your life." Boom. And you're like, yo, I paid $25 for this. Play it again. Spice up your life.
If you want to be in my life.
Like, damn.
Like, yo, what the fuck?
It was like MP2.
Yo.
He's like, we haven't figured it out yet.
Damn, that was the wild ripoff. Damn, remember ringtone? Niggas paying $1 and change for ringtones.
For ringtones or ringback tones?
Oof.
That's the most disrespectful shit. I call you, now you got me listening to fucking Jaru Holla Holla while you decide if you're going to answer my fucking phone call.
You just picture the other person looking at the phone like...
It's like, bum, 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 holla, holla.
Damn, I don't know. Shorty right here, damn. I wonder what he wants.
Nigga call you like...
Pick
up.
Damn.
It's like...
Fine,
picks up. Hello?
Yo, what up?
Auntie died.
Oh, shit.
Funerals tonight. We told you earlier if you didn't have me listen to the Holla Holla remix.
That's still my ringtone?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta change that shit.
Vita killed that shit though. I gotta go.
She did. She wanted it.
Bye.
Ortiz?
You know it. Shout out to Ortiz Funeral Homes.
They got the
The
monopoly.
only funeral homes apparently in the Bronx and Harlem. That's the only funeral home that's like, yo, we got a new playlist for dead niggas.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo.
That shit got Blueface in it. What's up?
Yo, that's the only fucking funeral home with like a live salsa band and shit. You walking in, is the nigga in the casket, and it's like, me tengo que ir, es porque estoy muerto, reza por mí.
They're like, what kind of, you want Black American, Nigerian, or Dominican wedding? What do you want?
What style?
They just cook the plantains
You know
different.
what I'm saying? Niggas bring out a Dominican cake and cut the shit like on your coffin.
Niggas walk in and be like, very respectfully, but Dímelo? Oh, here's your shit.
The hookah's on the coffin. With all the flowers and shit.
Niggas got the little stone like.
Just blow down their body like, yo, pay my respects.
Yo, he would love that. Nigga pour Mad Growl in him.
Like, yo, it's my nigga right there.
Damn, funeral homes.
Yo, here's all four. Yeah,
we should be like tech company guys and disrupt funeral homes.
Yeah.
How can we do that?
How do you can you like put a dead nigga in the cloud?
You know what? Here's what it is. Oh, we get like a rider truck and shit. Because the problem with like when people die, they gotta come get the body and shit, and people are busy. You don't got time for that. You gotta go to work. You know, you might be on your Peloton. You gotta fill the circles on your iPhone. So we come with a truck, and we have the funeral in the back of the truck in front of your house.
Real quick.
Bang that shit out.
You know what I'm saying?
15 minutes.
Funeral costs are expensive.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like one. You know, it's like one price for everything.
Yeah, one size.
It's like a Casper mattress kind of thing for funerals.
Yeah.
Kind of thing. You know what I mean?
Yo, we just be giving out startups on this bitch, man. God damn.
And we put you. You know what we do? Because we're gonna solve two problems at once. Because another problem they have in the city is disposing of a mattress. You can't just throw it out like that. You get a tucker for that. We're going to wrap the dead people in mattresses.
Reuse.
And let sanitation take them.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Boom. We're going green.
We're going green. New Green Deal.
That's
we
right.
Out here.
Put your dead grandma on a pissy mattress.
You know what I'm saying?
Send that bitch for fresh kills. Yeah. Bye, Nanny.
To the Viking funeral and shit.
Set on fire in the Hudson.
On the Hudson, like,
I'm like, yeah, so we're burning bodies in the East River at 4 p.m. Like just pouring Henny on it, like
do the reopen La Marina just for that. Just for that.
Yo, for La Marina 2, bring one of your dead spouse, bring a dead relative for half off.
Half off. You get a free bucket of Coronas.
We do a Fry Festival bonfire of just dead bodies and shit. Get Jaru in there.
He's like, yo, why y'all put me on fire? I ain't part of this shit.
I'm on fire, yo.
Yo, it's murder. Literally, they're murdering me. What the fuck?
Oh, man. What do you do when you got like a dead body? You call 911? It's not really an emergency, though.
Yeah, it's not.
They should technically hang up on you and make you
call
call 311. Yeah.
And be like, yo.
It's like a sanitation issue. It literally is a sanitation issue at that moment.
For sanitation issues, press 1.
Are you throwing out a color printer? Press 1.
Press 2.
Are you throwing out a big TV?
Are you throwing out lead-based paint? Press 4.
Are you throwing out your dead aunt? Press 5, nigga.
And wait. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. Nah, we don't give a fuck. Fuck that. Actually.
The on-hold music is You're Dead Wrong by Biggie Smalls.
Another one bites the dust.
And another one down. Another one down.
Another one bites the dust.
You're like, oh, this music is completely inappropriate. Okay, I'll put you on hold with manager.
It's very triggering. The manager's like,
What's up? I'm the manager, B. What up? What's up?
So I have a body I need to get rid of.
Okay. How's that my problem?
I was told by the government to call this number.
Okay. What number did you call?
I called 311 and they transferred me to you.
Well, guess what? 311 is not my number, my nigga. Goodbye.
Hello? Hello? Will you get hung on by government shit after you've been waiting an hour? You be like, that's when I feel like a white woman. I'm like,
oh my, how, what the nerve.
Start rearranging the love, peace, and happiness signs in Target.
Yo. I was like, I have to watch a Julia Roberts movie immediately.
You gotta run to the candle aisle to calm down. Yankee Candle, do your thing.
Oh, thank you, Fresh Linen. So much. Oh, thanks, God.
Seaside. Why don't they make real nigga candles?
You know what I'm saying?
They need candles like they need one that smells like guns. They need one that smells like you just blew up that pussy.
Yeah. Pissy staircase.
Yo, one called Crown Fried Chicken.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Fresh Loud Pack.
Yeah. Subway track train water.
Choo choo.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Real nigga candles.
Yankee Stadium bathroom. Yeah. That nasty shit.
Oh, for that you just piss on your radiator.
You got one that says intake. Yeah. Rikers Island OBC building.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, only bloods could control. Oh man.
Yo.
No, they like the closest thing they have is like
bussy?
They have like sandalwood and shit.
Oh my God.
Sandalwood. Velvet sweater.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
What was it? They got a whole gang of candles. They got everything. They got pumpkin. They got shit that don't even go together.
They need to start making Bronx candles and shit. Like $1.50.
Yo, rice and beans.
Back of the BX31 where niggas be peeing. Project Elevator.
Masturbating homeless man.
Yeah. That greasy smell you get from the Chinese spot.
Yeah. When you
nail salon.
That's what you're doing. If it's not 20 degrees below zero, niggas waiting for the Chinese food to stand outside the Chinese spot.
Because you be in there if you're inside the Chinese spot for more than 3 minutes, when you come out, you smell like straight MSG. Straight up. Like you smell like cholesterol and oil.
You might get attacked by somebody that's hungry because you smell like an egg roll. You know what I'm saying?
And you can't get that smell out your North Face for like 3 seasons.
Oh God.
You put it away for the summer, you bring it back in the winter. You take it out that first autumn cold day, and it's like, surprise, nigga! Smell like chip fried rice.
Remember Son's Kitchen, nigga?
Yeah, I'm back. That iced tea you drank out of a Tupperware. Thank you.
The wild brolic Tupperware. Shout out to Chinese food iced teas because they are wild huge.
Yeah, they're not because they use the same container they give you the egg drop soup in. It's not revolutionary.
They got the little baby shit and the brolic shit, but I've never seen the iced tea and the little shit.
Nah, no. The iced tea got MSG in it. It all got MSG in it. I mean, let's keep it funky. MSG is actually a good spice. It has a bad
Friday
rap.
night on MSG, got front row seats, but it's gonna get there.
Shout out to my Knicks. They almost beat the Rockets, but they covered the spread, right?
That's what I like to hear. They almost beat. You know what I'm saying? That's my favorite Knick outcome is they almost beat X.
Usually when you almost beat, you end up with blue balls.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
You know what? I'm actually less concerned with blue balls now that I'm older. Like, I thought I would die of it when I was like a teenager.
Yeah.
I thought it was a real thing.
Like, yo, oh my God. I didn't know. They're going to explode. They're going to swell. They're going to explode.
I remember my gym teacher was like, if you get blue balls, you have to go outside and like lift the front of a car.
What?
Because you said doing that, the energy built up in your dick will like you use it trying to lift the car.
Wow.
And I was like, yo, that shit is serious like that.
My pops is just like, yo, go in the shower and like don't take a shower, but just fill up a bucket of cold water and just throw it on yourself, and you'll be all right.
Why don't they just tell us like rub one out?
Yeah, like I'm sure you masturbated, Dad. Like, why don't you just say, yo, go lock yourself?
Did your
in the
father
bathroom?
ever have a conversation with you about masturbation?
Never.
No.
My uncle did though.
Oh, your uncle?
My uncle. Yo, my uncle is like 75 years old, and he still has a side joint. You know what I'm saying? That is well known in the family. Like, and it's the most bizarre setup ever. His wife, like, he's like, yo, he came out one day. I'm like outside trying to smoke weed on the low, on the balcony.
Yeah.
And it's like 3 in the morning. He comes out and he sits down next to me with a bottle of Doers, white label.
Right.
And he, like, over the course of the, like, 20 minutes, my man smashes this whole bottle of Doers. He's like, let me tell you something. I woke up and I wanted to have sex with you, and she told me no. So, you know what I did? I go to the bathroom. And, you know, I do this. You know, I go la pajita. You know, I'm jerking my dick. That's it. You don't do that? And I'm just like, bro, what? Like, I'm like,
What kind of shitty Dominican Wonder Years is
I was
this?
like, fam, I was trying to smoke this weed so you wouldn't know that I smoke weed. Now you know that I smoke weed and you're telling me that I got to jerk off? Like, this is crazy. Like,
that's the conversation I'm calling CPS or some
like,
shit.
fam, like,
I'm like, yo, this nigga want me to touch his dick or some shit.
I'm like, yo, my man. I'm like,
not
yo,
cool.
just because you jerked off doesn't mean I have to jerk off. Like, is this like a solidarity thing? You feel bad like that you had to jerk off, so now I got to jerk off? Like, nah, B.
The closest thing to sex education my father gave me was once I was peeing, and he came and started peeing at the same time as me. And I was like, yo. I was like, I was like, yo, will we prestige up? That's what we working
That's
with?
what we working with? I was like, yeah,
I was like, yo, my nigga. All right. I was like, you know what? That's all you. That's all you. I'm gonna wait for you to finish. All right, because you landed in 747.
Good, B.
All right?
You know what I'm saying?
Nothing but respect for our first responders. You know what I mean? That's a very aggressive masculine move. So was peeing, you come and pee over them?
Yo, fam.
That's like, yo, this is my house, little nigga. Don't ever forget it.
I cannot.
Nigga put his dick on my shoulder.
Fam, that is a humbling moment as a child.
Yeah,
like, when
you're like, oh, he pays the bills.
when you got your little dick in your hands and shit.
You got your Mr. PP in your fingers.
You Mr. PP in your fingers, and your pops comes and flops his big black floppy ass dick over on the top of the tiny whities.
Shit sounds like Isaiah. Not on my watch.
Not on my watch. That's just like hitting the water, sound like a fire hose.
You're like, damn. Shit sound like Niagara Falls and shit. You gotta use ear protection. Like, it's too loud. It's too loud.
My dad, stop.
When do you have to look before you go over the falls? It's still Bird Box.
Splashing my eyes.
Because women can't do that. As a little girl, your mother can't come and pee on the toilet at the same time as you.
That would take some.
She just come knock you over with her vagina like bow.
Yo, excuse me.
Beat it, little nigga.
One cheek each.
Big vaginas here. Big pussy energy.
You know what I'm saying?
Worst kind of work. Like your mother got mad pussy control. She pees to the toilet from the other side of the room. Like,
yo,
looking at you like amateur. Yo,
whack.
I did this at your father's bachelor party.
Yeah. Then you start thinking like, wait a minute, hold on, man. How did you?
I had 2 jobs.
Wow,
you gotta be
industrious.
Wow, you can't be having your fiance at your bachelor party,
fam. That is a recipe for disaster.
Because I mean,
I would not be married right now if my wife was at my bachelor party.
Because you gotta do nasty shit. I don't understand. Because like I live a pretty nasty life to begin with.
Yeah.
Like what you gotta do nasty shit at the bachelor party, right?
Fam,
Because I know when I worked at the nightclub, I remember that one bachelor party where the girl took the Corona and put it up her choach and then sprayed it on the face of the guy. He was like drinking it, and the fiance, his wife's father was there, and he was by the exit looking tight. But I was like, y'all Spanish, y'all do this all the time.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I was like, is this what y'all do at Quinceañeras? Isn't that what that big dress is for? Yeah, you got enough buttons to stop me, pal. Okay? They love it. Y'all love a bad guy.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Nah, but fucking...
So think about it. Like, if I was to get married and you threw me a bachelor party, it's like... There's not much just like you can have that would be wild there, unless you're gonna have like people like getting like tied up and doing heroin. Even that, I'd be like, that's cool.
Actually,
you gotta be Benzo the Clown.
Yo,
Benzo the Clown's doing bachelor parties now.
Fam, true story.
True story.
I'm not gonna name any names because I don't want to incriminate anybody. I don't want to ruin any. I don't want to ruin any marriages. I don't want to ruin any relationships. I was at a bachelor party that was at like one of those like Poconos like rent a house type situations.
Beautiful Mount Airy Lodge.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, yeah. We're
the
gonna
beautiful,
go with that. Yeah,
the beautiful jacuzzi shaped like a glass.
Yes, champagne by the shines of campaign ad. And first of all, it was two sets of entertainers that were coming through. There was what was referred to as the A team and the B team. The A team came through and was like, yo, we are not sucking any dick. We are not fucking any of y'all. We're not doing any of that shit of that nature. We're going to put on a show and then we're going to go home. And they came through with a brolic Albanian dude with like a suit. So the shit was dead. I was like, they're serious. Yeah, I was just like, all right, cool. This is cool, whatever. Oh, double dongs. All right, interesting. And then
you just snuck that in there.
Yeah, and then the B team came through, and the B team
was like, they brought that heat.
They were with whatever. But the funny shit is that my man's it was like everybody in the whole you know what I'm saying group was in their 30s, but there was this one dude that was like 50 something, and when he pulled up. Like he saw the B team pull up with their bodyguard was just like the wild brolic stud lesbian lady, you know what I'm saying? And she was just sat in the car smoking Newports the whole time. I'm like, isn't your security supposed to be with you? Long story short, they come in the house and the Dominican 50-year-old guy is like, oh, thank you very much. He takes one look at these girls and goes, thank you very much. I'm gonna thank you for everything. I'm gonna go now. Thank you, because he knew what was about to happen. Yo, them shorties came in looking like. Fam, like, what was the HBO shit where homie was getting toppy from the dude?
Not Dope Sick Love. No,
was it Dope Sick Love?
It might have been Dope Sick Love.
Fam, shorties came through looking like Dope Sick Love, and as soon as they pulled up into the fucking apartment, whatever the fuck, they were like, "Yo,
show us Sebastian."
Yeah, they were like, "Yo, do you got a belt?" And I was like, oh, shit, they getting freaky off top. They about to start whipping niggas and shit like that. My man gave him the belt. They disappeared into the bathroom for like an hour or more. And I was just like, oh, I see what's happening here. Then they came out and they started wilding, making out with each other, pushing each other's butts and shit. I was just like, oh, my God. And my man put a pool stick in Shorty's butt. And she was like, with it. She was like, yeah, do it harder. Do it. I was like, yo, fam. I was like, I don't want this to turn into some like pool version of Mr. Hands.
Wow.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, this is out of control. Be like, I'm gonna go downstairs and play with the pinball machine.
Niggas with pool sticks? Like,
man, pool sticks, like lit cigarettes, like nah.
See? This is how you end up in an interrogation room on Law and Order. Controller, like, oh, you like pool sticks, you sick fuck? Huh?
So you like billiards? I heard you was a fan of billiards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen this narcotics, like the burn women.
Yeah.
Would burn them with like Newport.
You know what I'm
they
saying?
call it butterscotch brownies. Sick shit.
I was like, yo, this is low-key disgusting. I was like, this room smells way worse than the rest of the apartment.
I mean, like, listen, if you're going to have like 3 naked people stuffing things in their orifices, you got to have ventilation.
Damn.
All right? As someone who once worked at a strip club, like, and if the AC don't work, it be smelling like jail. We smell like jail in there. Smell like someone's making like spam.
Smell like a Febreze commercial. And shit, and so it's like a giant sweaty sock.
Yeah. Cause you be like, yo, how you so pretty and you stink?
Like, yo.
There's a lot of that.
Ma.
You be like, yo, like,
fam.
She's like, I don't sweat. I'm like, yes, you do, bitch.
Like, there's not like a place where you can go and like, you know what I'm saying, get the discharge off the drawers.
I'm like, yo, just go to the Rite Aid. You can use the deodorant. You don't have to buy it.
You don't have to buy the shit.
Just take it off the shelf, use it, boom, boom, put it back.
That's it.
That's it. Okay? You do that all the time. If I'm ashy in the street, I go to like Dwayne Reed,
get some lotion,
and walk out. All right? If we're in the rules to say I can't do that. I'm not stealing, not hurting nobody. Who's gonna use that lotion? White people?
I'm just testing it.
Okay.
When you go to Baskin Robbins and you be like, yo, can I try that? They be like, okay, here, boom.
Exactly.
So that's what we do. We just try products before we buy them.
That's all we're doing.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want
We're fighting for consumer rights.
Exactly.
That's all it is.
You don't want to commit to a whack product.
No.
You know what I'm saying? No.
We're the Better Business Bureau. No.
The Better Business Boys?
Better Business Boys. You bring us a product, we're like, no.
No.
That's not going to work.
No, this no go, papi.
No.
It's not smart. It's say smart, but
It's smart water.
We're
going to make stupid water. Go dumb water.
Go dumb water? Shit got Mad Molly in it.
They're selling in bodegas and shit. Like, we're in the store in the morning, like, we see little kids buying it. We're like, oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Niggas love that shit.
Niggas walk out with it in a bag of Takis, like,
yeah. Niggas hop out top of cars, like, shake them dreads. Go dumb.
There's face.
They're like, New York City board, the test scores have gone down 49%. Kids are going dumb.
They're interviewing fucking fourth graders like, hey, town business, cuz. You know how we give it up, cuz. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We just curb stomping.
You know what I mean?
It's hella fun. I'm just out here stacking my scribbles.
You know what I'm saying? Because my money's longer than the neck on a flamingo.
You know, I'm just trying to duck those Elroys. Go dumb water. Yeah.
Ooh.
Dude, rappers don't do cool drugs no more though.
No, they don't.
They be doing like mad opioids and stuff. They need to be a young rapper that comes out and does like fucking what is those? The shits from Wolf of Wall Street.
Quaaludes?
Yeah. Like young Quaalude face.
Young Quaalude face. Yeah. And they get a Quaalude tat on his face.
Yeah. But he only does like suppositories.
Yeah.
That's his thing.
So you got an ass with the Quaalude going into his ass.
And that's like his big thing in the video where he's like, hold up. Let me put one in. And like, it's like the slow motion.
Hold up. Let me open.
Yeah.
I think I shot it. Beat me with the rubber.
He's got like mad bikini models behind him. Or he's bent over and niggas putting the pill in the butt. Man, that's the new thing. Instead of hookah, we're going to make suppository lounges. Yeah. And you just go there with your boys and shit. You
know what I'm saying? Like, yo.
They get like a tray and put it in each other's butts.
They got special chairs and shit where y'all all with your ass cocked up and shit. Like, yo, what's good, my nigga?
Taking pictures like, yo, my nigga right here. Yo, who's the nigga with the biggest sphincter in NYC? Look at my nigga right here.
Yo, caption, look back at it.
Yo. My nigga got the tight prostate. What's good? Yo, look at my man's balloon knot.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, you sending come on. She's like, yo, can I take a picture with y'all?
Oh,
I love y'all. Yeah, I love y'all show, yo. Thank you for giving me mad OD shine. Like, I don't understand why I'm still in the phlebotomy. Like, y'all niggas not gonna pay me.
Shut up and bring us more suppositories.
Like, I send y'all mad invoices.
Bring us the guava nut one.
I send you mad invoices. You know, y'all never pay me. I do intros for y'all and shit like that. Like, what's good?
Bitch, was my suppository.
All right, my fault. I get it.
They come with the big joint like this. They come out with the sparklers like, we got some ballers at table 7. They spending money. They spending money for suppositories. Watch out now.
Yo, DJ Carmelo. Yo, unwalkable. Yo, warning. We got suppositories. We got some big ballers in the building. Give it up. Make some fucking noise for the big ballers. Get suppositories. Yo, the shit is lit. You know what I'm saying? Put the shit in their ass.
The bottom bitch just got the 2 suppositories by her head. Like,
yeah.
Suppository girl.
Yeah. She got like a doodoo emoji hat on and shit. Like
she's standing there waiting for a
she
chip.
got
Like,
2 doodoo emoji pasties and shit. That's it.
Instead of giving you like cranberry and orange juice, she gives like Chuck's medicated pads. Nasty.
Yo.
Scat talk. You know, we talk that scat talk. That's scat talk. How come scat means like scat ba 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 ba?
Yeah.
It also means shitting on a German girl's chest.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, what happened to the hostel stays at the hostel.
What if we combine the two?
Or the Y Hotel. What is that hotel in Times Square? The The Yoto?
The Yoto. Yeah, the Yoto.
There's a lot of shitting on people in that hotel.
Yeah,
because I think
weird.
the bathroom is like you share a bathroom with other people on your floor and shit. Anybody doing that?
Yeah, nah. I've never stayed there, but every time I drive past it, I'm like,
you're a New Yorker. You have absolutely no reason to ever stay in a hotel unless your house is on fire or you're testifying against somebody.
For real. I look at this shit. I'm like, yo, this shit looks like some weird like Jet Set Radio shit. Like, why would I stay here? And then I went in there one time because it was wild brick ass, and I was like, yo, I gotta take a piss because I was returning a zip car, and I fucking true story. And the guy's like, no, you can't. There's no bathroom. You can't use the bathroom. I was like, fam, I bet.
I think you gotta pee into like a water bottle and shit.
Oh my god.
And they just collect it in the morning.
Bathroom so far, you gotta piss in a bottle.
We need to make. Oh my god, yeah, we were just beefing about third world countries. We need to make an authentic third world country experience for New York City travelers.
Oh shit!
So come to our new hotel called Outhouse, nigga.
Yo, Outhouse, nigga. Yo, we're gonna fill a barrel with rainwater for you to bathe.
That's
with.
right.
You know what I'm saying?
3 in the morning. 3 in the morning, niggas running your room with machetes. Just gotta give it up.
Gotta give it up.
Gotta give it up. I hope you boofed your passport. You get a phone call like, hello, is this room 7? Yeah, did you order this feral dogs? They're like, no. They're coming anyway. Nigga, run.
Run, nigga, run.
Niggas just like mad fucking dogs with dentation. Niggas stand on the bed like,
mangy dogs and shit foaming at the mouth. Like,
dogs are tearing up their suitcases and shit.
They start fighting each other and shit. You're like, yo, what the fuck?
Niggas gotta pass gunmen to get to the elevator. Where you go? Where you go? Huh? Back up.
Yeah.
Back up.
Go back in your room. Go back in your room.
We don't want no trouble.
Yeah, no.
Just go into the vending machine.
No. Yeah, go back to your room. Yeah, empty your wallet.
Niggas just constantly keep getting robbed.
They're like, we got robbed 4 times today. We don't have any more money. Sad thing.
You have a pretty wife, though?
Yeah.
You want to make some more money?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come here, Betsy.
Yo, come here.
Come here.
We'll take you to Club Dubs, you know? You can't take them to Club Med.
Club Dubs, where only the most washed women in the Caribbean go. Are you too ugly for sandals? Come to Club Dubs. Where you take off your clothes and people say, put it back on. Go to Club Dubs.
Happy hour from 6 to 7. All you can eat shrimp and cocktails. Club Dubs.
Oh, you can eat sliders.
You see sliders on the beach?
It's only resort with a White Castle.
Club Dubs, located in Indianapolis. I'm like, how is this a tropical resort in Clan Country? What's going on here?
It's like, we keep it warm by burning mad crosses.
Wow.
Sad. Yeah.
Oof. Club Dubs. Club Dubs. What if someone took you to Club Dubs? Would you be offended?
I'd be like, yo, listen.
Who's the dub here?
I'm like, am I the dub? Like, yo.
You the dub?
Are you the dub? Like, I don't.
Cause think about it. Everyone's a dub to somebody.
That's true. And also, I mean, like, honestly, like, if you go on vacation and you're like, yo, my whole intent of this trip is to get wild, fucked up, and just like live my best life and risk my you know what I'm saying, my STD status.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Why not go to Club Dub?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Dubs may have more fun.
You know what I'm saying? Dubs have more fun and they do wild shit. Yeah. Dubs have more fun and they'll spit in your mouth and shit. Like, you know what I'm
saying? Because Sandals got mad nice shit. I'm sure Club Dubs is just like, yo, we're not putting a lot of effort into the home.
We just got some tarps and shit. Like, for
you know, they don't got like the flat screens. They got the big back TVs and shit. The CRT shit.
Ain't no channels except Pino.
No HDMI outputs on the back of them shit.
HDMI. What, nigga? Only HD you get in here is hard dick. That's it.
All you getting is an ashtray, nigga. If you got an ashtray in a hotel room, that shit is nothing. There's no use for that hotel other than having sex and selling drugs. That's
Absolutely.
That is it. Niggas ain't even get rid of the ashtray.
Nah, that shit is still
like, why does it smell like smoking? Because niggas be smoking in here, nigga.
Smoking here, motherfucker.
No way. No tourists coming in shit.
You stupid?
Shit. That's why that shit smell musky. You turn to channel 1, it's showing like illegal Pinot.
Fam. That's like the fucking shit in that is now Howard Johnson on fucking like by West Farms. That used to be like the straight like hot sheet motel. And that shit has bars on the windows.
That shit is $200 a night now. $200 a night to be in the Bronx. And I was like, $200 for 3 hours. They was like, no, for the whole night, you piece of shit. I was like, where am I gonna do? They was like, are you checking in? I was like, yeah, me and this bag of dope. Can't smoke this for my kids.
Yo, that Hojo's $200 a night, God.
Yeah, I mean, there's like apps and shit, but
Relax.
Yo,
but you know what it is? Because it's not for native New Yorkers. It's like if you're coming from like
to go to the zoo and shit
from the Netherlands, you're like, oh, this seems like a good deal.
Oh yeah,
how bad could it be?
Yeah.
And then you check in the lobby, niggas are like, sup, nigga?
What's up, yo?
Sup?
Yo,
you got a little too much luggage right there. Let me help you with that.
Yo, you need a date?
As soon as you get out the airport, they start scabbing you because people are like, yo, you need a ride? And they got the big signs like, yo, if niggas ask you for a ride, do not take it from them.
Yeah.
But tourists do it every day. I seen it.
Every time.
They was like, oh, go to Harlem. The guy was like, nah, I'll save you money. Niggas just pull up in like a Ford Nova and shit.
Yo, with the fucking mismatched rims and
with
shit.
Fucking tape on the back windows and shit. They got Vaseline on the license plate so you can't really identify it. Like, yeah, these niggas about to disappear.
They got one tail light.
Shit never stops blinking.
Then you're like, News 12 the Bronx. Netherlandians Jordan Vandersloot and Michelle Vandersloot have gone missing after getting into a Ford Focus with mismatched rims.
Is there an Amber Alert for missing tourists?
I hope not.
There should be it's like a Hansel alert. De Blasio, get on that. De Blasio likes passing laws for shit we don't need.
Yeah.
He's like, yo, from now on, I'm going to make it a felony for you to fall onto the train tracks. And he's like, why?
I
How does that help?
Well, it'll help in that, people will stop falling into train tracks.
Dude, get out of here.
So.
How long? I feel like he's been mayor for 10 years.
Bruh. I'm ready for something else.
Who's going to replace him? Ruben Diaz?
Ruben Diaz.
All right.
He's cooler. He's definitely cooler. Like,
I feel like Ruben Diaz is connected enough that you can be politically corrupt with him.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, my God. We definitely going to get concealed carry gun licenses. Ooh. Oh, it's about to be quiet for y'all niggas. Woo.
Oh, I'm caping for him.
Yo, Ruben, hook that up.
Yo. Oh, my God. If we get concealed carry.
Nigga, I'm going to be in the bodega counting my change with a Glock like 9, 10, 11, 12. You know what, Poppy? Here, hold that. And you, hold that.
Get the fuck out of here.
Bow. Niggas don't want that.
Yo, my Instagram lives are going to be different.
Oh, yeah, but you got, what's the laws in Jersey?
You can buy, like, they're more lax, but, like, it's still not wild easy to get a handgun. You can get a shotgun.
Yeah.
Shotgun's on deck.
Walk around like Omar.
With the wild shotgun.
Yeah. Mad leather trench coat and shit. Just whistling. Omar coming.
Yo.
Mero coming.
Yo.
Niggas start throwing dope out the window and shit.
I'm just like walking through ShopRite with the wild leather duster and shotgun.
Niggas at Chick-fil-A. They're like, yo, Mero coming. Niggas throw mad fucking Chick-fil-A out the window and shit. Yeah, we don't have no problems.
Yo, hey, take all the sauce.
Yo, we close. Niggas like, it's not even Sunday. Nah, Mero here. We close.
Be like, hey. One of these shits is grilled.
Yo, here. No here, take the Polynesian sauce. No problem, Mero.
Nah. A brother got to have a code.
No. Oh, no. God bless you. I serve you the chicken and Christ.
I told you the code was no grill.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mero.
Get on your knees.
Wow. Okay, Mero's making porn wire parodies over here.
I'm surprised they haven't done that.
I'm sure there is. I just never. You know, there's porn parodies of almost everything, but unless you go looking for it or it just randomly comes on your timeline, you're not gonna see it.
Bro, it's like so set up for porn parodies.
Yeah, but
like, you do Amsterdam.
You really want to be like have your dick in your hand and be on your MacBook like Big Bang Theory porn parody. Are you a respectable individual after that? Can you look yourself in the mirror after that?
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie to you, my G. Like, I didn't search for it, but I did watch it. It was
watch what?
A Pinot clip of shout out to Nina Hartley, Pinot legend.
Mm-hmm.
She was playing Hillary Clinton, trying to get the black vote, and she was in a boardroom with 10 black dudes. And I don't think I need to explain the rest of that.
Right. She was just chilling. She
was just chilling in big cock.
Wow. No, every now and then you'll do some porn to pop up. People like, what is this shit?
Yeah.
And you look, you're like,
and I also like Pinot's like the last frontier for racism. Be like, you can say some like get away with anything in Pinot.
Who gonna check you, boo?
Like,
who gonna check you? They be saying some shit. Even I be like, you ever watch some porn that they do such racist shit you lose your erection?
Like, you said what?
Like she's like, my dad doesn't want me fucking niggers. I was like, wow. Bookmarks.
Yeah.
Uh,
Damn. I went on my favorite joint the other day, and it was like the whole front page was like, mommy teaches son lesson. I'm like, no. I was like, fam, what the fuck? How many like there's got to be an algorithm or some shit.
There's the problem. The algorithm is getting a little too. I think it's because of Trump. Like it's everyone wants to fuck their family members now. So all the titles they show are like, because before it was like stepmom, stepbrother. Now it's not even. They ain't trying. They're like
mom and son.
They're like brother fuck sister. Not. I was like, what is that not then? We Borat? Like, nigga, make it clear that these two are not blood relatives. And they don't even try with the lines. They're like, oh, they'll like set up some backstory. They're like, oh my God, I can't believe that my father married your mother and now we live here. I was like, oh, a little background, huh? Okay.
Okay.
All right, a little character development.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Round
like,
characters in the Pinot. I like it.
It's like, sister, stop riding my cock when I sleep at night. I'm like, there's no writing on this.
Yo, fam, the writing is terrible. It's just like they just laying in bed for no reason. I'm like, why are you napping with your
sister?
With your sister.
Well, she got her pussy out.
You know
like,
what I'm saying?
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works. I've never napped with my sister. Ever. Clothed or unclothed.
Okay.
Like, come on. Like,
your sister's like, let's pillow fight.
Yeah. Oh, my boobs came out. Oh, my God.
Did I show you my new nipple piercing? I was like, these are not realistic.
These are not realistic at all.
If they won't show a realistic brother-sister relationships, it'd be like you be sleeping and your sister just come and punch you in the dick.
Exactly.
She'd be like, fuck you, nigga, for no reason.
And then run out the room. And then you try to run after her. And then your pops clothesline you.
Yeah.
Like, yo, don't touch her.
Or you trying to sleep and then like you wake up and her friends are looking at you from the door like, he's nasty. He don't use new deodorant.
Yo, his room stink.
Oh my God.
His room stink.
He's nasty.
He be jerking off.
Look at all those socks. You know, he be jerking off in them socks.
You know
he's
what I'm
disgusting.
saying? They all mismatch and shit. Look, that one's different than that one and that one and that one. He's jerking off in them shits. He's nasty.
Or like, just be like, she in her room, I go in there with my boys, like, look at her dirty bras. Pathetic.
She should have a period panties on the floor, like, yo.
I was like, yo, this bitch bleeding.
Yo.
It's to be young again.
It's to be young again.
Was that a real song, or we just that sounds like something we could be lounge singers at Arthur Avenue.
Absolutely.
Like traditional Bronx style?
No question. I went to a Valentine's Day dinner once that had one of those guys that he does covers of like Frank Sinatra songs.
Oh, wow.
And I was just like, wow, this is not it, Chief.
Oh, you got to be like the Colgates. The streets of the Bronx, doo-wop.
Yeah.
On the streets of the Bronx.
Streets of the Bronx. This definitely sounds like some racist shit. It was like 1950s, Arthur Avenue.
Beautiful place.
Beautiful place. My aunt had a building. There was a cool couple of niggers that stood in front of it. You're like,
yo.
I'm like, why did Victor sign us up for this movie?
He's like, yeah, one of them is like, you know, I guess a regular Mulignana, and the other one is like a Mulignana that can swim.
Yeah, it's like one is a Jamaican patty. The other one's, I guess, what do you call it, empanada?
Empanada?
Yeah.
Platano, whatever.
Hey, Mero! What's up, Mike Spick?
Like...
My wife got extra jalapenos. If you want them, I'll bring them down to you. I know you people like to be spicy and like take care of your children. Anyway, I gotta go. Some of us have jobs. All right, I'll see you back.
Jalapenos, Mexican thing. I'll never be accepted in the same room.
Green Book 2. More green.
More green.
More green book. More green, more books.
More books.
Like, yo,
green
the whole
library.
movie, like the white guy gets home back to Arthur Avenue. He's like,
this nigga stole my wallet.
My fucking green book. He stole my fucking green book. And we gotta go track down Marshala Ali. He's like, you're black. You know who he stays at. Take me to Harlem.
Niggas in Harlem, Jim Jones is like, yo, I'm the boss of Harlem. What do you need?
Nah, some nigga stole my green book.
Well, boom.
We just came on myself.
Let me tell you something, nigga. You ain't getting that motherfucking book back. Boom,
I want my
it's
fucking
the
green book back. If I don't get my green book back, there's gonna be some fucking problems.
Hey, man, you
There's
better
gonna be some
move
split
forward.
eggplants on the street if you know what I mean.
Hey, man, listen, I'm gonna call my Oye's. We're gonna do this shit like the raw way. You know what I'm saying? So, boom, get the fuck up out of here. Before I get the shot and go, bretta.
So we definitely have to have Jim Jones and Green Book too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
He's hype right now. He's
Yeah,
heard that shit.
he's
He's
like,
like,
let's
he's
go.
like, yo, I'm in it.
Let's
Yo,
go.
Vampire life, nigga. Let's
Green
go.
book.
Let's go, baby.
And it would be better if the Green Book was like Harry Potter, if it was like magical.
You
Imagine that when niggas was like about to beat up Marshall Ali, he took out the book. He was like, Hogwarts. Fucking mad, they start spinning their KKK robes around and shit. Fucking crossbones down on them. Listen, there's stuff to be made out here.
You know what I'm saying? Stranger Things Green Book mashup. Let's get it.
I've never watched Stranger Things. Is that
No, me neither.
No? Oh, damn.
I just made a cultural zeitgeist reference.
It's one of those things where it's like
important.
I'm too late. I'm too late. I can't catch up. It's too late. It's too late.
Steven, do you disagree?
No. Once you miss the first episode, forget it. Don't ever try to watch a TV show. If you miss the first episode of anything, do not try to watch. That's why I don't watch 60 Minutes. I wasn't there for the first episode. I don't watch SNL. I wasn't there for the first episode.
First episode with like Dan Aykroyd and shit.
Back when it came on like Friday and shit. Just niggas doing straight coke on the air. First guest was like Mr. T.
And then Eddie Murphy be like...
Those Dan Aykroyd, Eddie Murphy sketch. No, Richard Pryor and Eddie Murphy. They'd be like, hey, I'm eating chicken. He's like, nigger. I'm like,
whoa.
Matthews, you letting this happen?
He's like, I love it.
I love it.
I think it's
great for the ratings.
Brilliant.
They had another show with Larry David called Friday Night Live.
Seriously?
Flopped. But
with Larry David?
Yeah.
How could you make it flop? Damn, man. I thought Larry David was the GOAT. Nigga flop?
I mean, you gotta get some. You don't need. In order to be the GOAT, you can have mad flops. Don't remember your flops. You just remember your big break.
That's true.
Because remember, they got Seinfeld. You know what that Seinfeld syndication money is like?
I watched the documentary. Speaking of documentaries, I watched a documentary about TV in the 90s.
Oh, this nigga trying to learn?
Yeah, man. Okay. I'm out here watching docs. You know what I'm saying?
And
it was about TV in the 90s and how Seinfeld was like, what was it, on NBC, right? They were like, yo, we believe in the show. Give us a 4-episode order. I was like, fam, that's not really believing in the show. But then like the shit blew up, and they were like, yo, and you know how the shit ended. They ended up, motherfuckers was getting paid like fucking 2 million episode type shit.
Yeah. Remember when Friends went on strike and they was like, nah, we want $1 million an episode each. And NBC was like, you thought?
Yeah.
They got the mill.
They got that mill. Yeah, Jennifer Aniston was like, look at my hair. It's called the Rachel.
Even though Friends was not that good.
Nah.
It wasn't that good.
I watched the shit and I'm just like, I'll watch that show like, yo, because it had made me watch like 10 episodes of How I Met Your Mother. And I was just like, this is my exact expression the whole time.
I mean, let's chill with the How I Met Your Mother slander. I mean, it's a good show. I've completely lost. Like, I know Doogie Howser's in it.
Yeah.
And
but he's like, he's in it, but he's not like lovable Doogie Howser. He's like wild asshole.
Yeah.
Like,
and they took me through that whole thing, which every white kid sitcom does about, oh my God, it's very hard to have a baby.
Oh yeah.
Every white sitcom, like having a baby is like fucking trigonometry.
I'm like, yo,
what the
fam.
fuck? Everyone in the hood is like, God damn, this bitch pregnant again.
Again.
But every white sitcom is like someone crying with like a fucking thermometer, like, I can't believe it. I thought your pussy was 98.6.
This is the third time we've had sex this month. It's not working.
It's not working. And I'm like, why are you making this shit more all drawn out and shit? Like, just have it like, fuck. Just a real wave, niggas.
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm pregnant again. Fuck. Damn. Shit. Mother, nigga just punched the wall like, motherfucker.
Yo, I got to a point with me where, like, after the second kid, I just would just give Heather the
my nigga, I was next to you once when you got, your wife called you and told you she was pregnant. This was literally how it played out. Hello? What? Fuck. All right. I was like, what happened? He's like, Heather's pregnant again. And you went back to play Gears of War? And I was like, nigga, you have a new kid coming. He was like, yeah, come on. What's up? We're on level 29.
It's going to be another boy.
Another boy.
With the girl, though, I gave her like the NBA, like I made a free throw tap.
Yeah.
Like,
he's like, yeah.
Yo, good looking.
Good looking. Like,
yo, shout out to you.
Niggas was on the bench like, yeah. MVP. Oh, shit.
The wild, like, yo, good looking.
Nigga found out he was having a baby and wanted that shit away like a notification on their phone. Like, whoop. Get to that later.
Open? Nah.
No, I don't fuck that.
That's my Uber shit, bro.
It's like, you want to save $5 on Pizza Hut? I'm like, not right now.
Not right now.
Okay?
Bitch.
Don't let niggas know I'm a fat nigga and have the Pizza Hut app.
Come on, stop.
Okay? Let me just be telling. You look through a nigga phone, you be like, Pizza Hut? Nigga.
I just put all that shit in extras.
They be like, you got a PF Chang app?
And I just like move it all to the back. Like I make sure it's like 3 pages deep and I just move all the shit to the third page.
You got a nigga, you got an Olive Garden app? It's like, nah, sometimes like
You know
I
what I'm
just
saying?
order
Like,
from it. He's
that's
like,
it,
you open it, it's like, welcome, valued platinum member Olive Gardener.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the garden, matey. You're 25 points away from unlimited biscuits.
Would you like some?
He's like playing music. He's playing like fake Italian music through your phone. Sorry.
Sorry.
Trying to turn this off. I've never been to the restaurant before. It's just you had a business. You had like you at court and shit. Someone turn off that Italian music. You gonna see your pocket to get your phone? Matt breadsticks fall out.
Marinara, pepperoni, spaghetti.
Holy shit! Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Then you just pick the shit up and you're like, oh shit, the $5 box shit.
Gotta go.
Oh, they back.
Nigga leave court. Nigga don't even see the judge. Nigga $5 box. It's like fuck it.
Oh god. Again.
Oh man.
Yeah. Nigga said I got the Pizza Hut app.
Only people got Pizza Hut app or fat people when people were cheating. That's the only reason you got Pizza Hut on your phone.
Yo.
Oh wow, I gotta go. Pizza Hut just texted me. They said my pizza's ready for delivery and come pick this shit up, daddy. Why is Pizza hitting you at 3 a.m. so you're like, yo, come blow my fucking back out, nigga, with that long dick?
Excuse me?
It's like, no, it's that's the code word for the meat lovers pizza.
Yeah, it's the pizzone. They're trying to
bring it back.
They're
Rebranding
the pizzone. Like, no, nigga, you about to take a bitch to the P zone. That's what you about to do, stupid. Don't think I don't know your fucking tricks.
I got a Crown Fried Chicken app. Now you know goddamn well there's no Crown Fried Chicken app. The Crown Fried Chicken app is to turn off your phone when you're ordering. What's wrong with you? Take the AirPods out. Poppy just slap you and shit like, what's wrong with you?
The Crown Fried Chicken app is you just telling the crackhead in the front to your order.
Yeah. Like, yo, I'm double parked, so you get that for me. He's like, yeah, call me Uber Eats. I don't have white blood cells, but I'm a Postmate. It's been episode 144 because we are fucking wilding live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios. It's been your boy, Desus Nice, and the kid Mero.
That's right, we out here.
You know what it is. It's time for the Akas,
you know what I'm
as
saying?
they call them.
The Akas.
The Akas. Is that what? That's what African people call black people as a derogatory term.
Really?
No, it's Akata or some shit like
Akata?
that. Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't even know that.
New slang. It's your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pockets Stay Fat like. Here we go. Chris Stafford, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Butcher Buddha Gully, Snowman Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's. With a rando.
That's right.
I don't know her name, so I asked the maitre d' not to mention that I was here with a different rando last week. Come on, you're making it hot. Mio never said that in New York. Mikkel going off the Juve boss. MC looking compete. Putting up from 40 with Chest Shorty.
That's right.
Okay, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. Don't talk to me in the lift pool.
No.
If I go inside your car to go, just drive. Act like it's normal. Like I know it's not an Uber, but you know what? This car's too small for us to be fighting.
You know what I'm saying? And I know it's only two of us, but I'm still sitting in the back seat.
Okay, and if I want to make a little beef stroganoff, you know, that's
You know
on
what
me.
I'm saying? Don't
All
look
right.
at me.
Give me a bad Uber rating. What is it? The original my +1 got +1. Don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Mazel tov. Jermaine avocado toast. That's right. I'm something that uses very cheap ingredients to make, but I'm going to overcharge you for
You know
it.
what I'm saying? Learn.
That's right. Avocado, $29. How you feel at brunch?
Stupid.
Here's some red pepper flakes.
I squeezed this shit out of a bag, nigga. I didn't even make this shit myself.
This ain't real. Hey, it's the young Victor in the building.
Oh, shit, yo.
Live from the island. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuli without the coonery, aka Tilly Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kalo K. I was not voted into the Hall of Fame, but you know, it's a little colorism.
Papi, you know what it is? It's they racist.
Is he racist?
Is he racist?
Kurt Schilling, he no go no.
No.
I felt so good that Kurt Schilling didn't go.
Ooh. I got mad that he even got like 30% of the vote. I was like,
you know what it is? Because people
fucker?
bang with him, but he did that bullshit with the catch-up, and he follows like Quanan and shit. Kurt Schilling. Ugh. Disgusting.
Brother, this guy stinks!
He wasn't even that good a pitcher for Boston if you think about it. If you look at his record.
Facts.
But you know what? The people like if Mussina was in there. First of all, Mussina won 20 games one season. Also, he did crossword puzzles in his offseason.
That's right.
How you
Stupid,
feel?
Dumb ass.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Crossword puzzles with a pen.
Oh, that takes balls.
That's some cocky shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta do that shit on the train and do the further flex. You gotta do that New Yorker thing where you balance perfectly, but you don't hold on to anything.
Oh,
and the whole time niggas look at you like this gonna fall.
Oh my god,
he gonna fall.
He's gonna
and
fall,
you just like lean with shit, like
lean with it, rock with it.
You know when the train goes around Astor Place, you gotta lean this way, like you like yo, I lived here, I does this,
thing.
Oh, look at you cover your ears because the train coming into the station hurts you. A real New Yorker, give me that ear damage. I cut my ears when the ambulance go around, just I hear more like woo.
Yeah, give me all them decibels.
Fuck that. Gonna die anyway. What I want to hear for? Done heard everything but Christ. 3 Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Ronald's label, Dilute. One more time.
3 times.
Leonardo the Trap, yo, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
DJ Will like, here, listen to Wash FM. I was thinking, what would be a good Wash FM song for Mero?
Hey, a
little Amber, This Is Your Night.
You know what I'm saying?
You guys know you've been in the club here, right? This is your night.
I am putting pills in my butt, and I'm smoking cigarettes back to back.
That's that good music that was back in the day where like you see powder on the carpet and you're like,
oh, let me see. What is that?
Yeah, what is that? Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it. That shit could be baking soda, could be Love My Carpet. Either way, I'm getting high off this bullshit, my nigga. Rub this shit on my gums.
You know what I'm saying? Must just feel lavender fresh.
Like, I don't give a shit. Nigga don't even Google the pills you find. Like, fuck it. Nigga take mad estrogen from the back of an Uber. Start growing titties 2 weeks later and be like, I regret nothing.
I regret nothing at all.
The curry goat, nah. These are Spikes, the Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain him. The human memory went to Ja. Young Aaron, racist provocateur, Hedrick Bedcos, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human Werther's melting in your mouth.
That's right.
Mr. Beck on Decatur, today is Estella. Mr. Ricky Squavi, Greg Popovich.
You know what I'm saying?
You guys smell and feel the humidity when I see that. More Caesar Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. Right on my face like Prince. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. It's got too much daily sodium servings. If you look, they're like, yo, this is 40% of your daily sodium. And you're like, damn. But then you look, it's like, yo, this serves 2 people. And you're like, nigga.
Damn. Oh, man. Your heart is like, no.
Your heart is like, yo, what the fuck
your
you doing?
Your heart is like, yo.
Relax.
Like, yo. Your heart got on the sweatsuit, the rubber sweatsuit with the foil and shit to lose extra weight. Like,
just running on the hamster wheel. Like, yo, y'all wilding.
Through it.
Nigga wilding.
Oh my god. The Prince of Peckham, Fashion Over Cash Nova. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me big money.
Big money.
The only after my salute is Dip Set, Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, children's judo, holy cow. This is South Palm, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny David Yerman. These expensive. So Akeem Noah, no longer with the Knicks. Still getting them checks though.
Still getting them checks.
Andrew Cool Nannon, yeah. I'll kill you in a cool way. AK the Junior, Energy God Junior, come sit down, Palmy Charger.
Yeah.
Call me Petco because I got yo bitch on freeze.
Straight up.
The topic of gossip is Syasa. Shout out to 11791, which no one has ever said ever. Not gonna be a thing. Don't maybe is Syasa popping?
To this day.
Ask Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Your man Dead-Eye Desus. Morning Sheriff, don't mind if I steal some culture in the Rite Aid section.
That's right. Or we might have a problem.
That's right. Let me ask you something. Is there a sensor tag on these double A batteries? Been shopping that street easy with bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic who'll crack your back like an old man craftman. Mr. Marina, Mesh Marina with a cold misdemeanor. The sheep mask killer.
Whoa.
No one can be iller.
No one.
AK your problematic bae. It's not a secret family if the kids don't look like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
If you light and the kids are dark, I mean anything is possible.
Anything is also impossible.
Fuck them kids. As Michael Jordan said, fuck them kids.
Fuck them kids.
Them kids not buying Jordan 1s. Fuck them.
Fuck them. Get them out of here. Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. The Human Durag, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. Stay on my DM. Stop trying to get me in trouble. A.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader. Jump the curb, hit your fucking lots of ops on, keep it moving. Nigga, ask me if I give a fuck. I do not. A.k.a. I know fucking baby. I fucking man, my nigga. Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list. I was floundering Little Mermaid, nigga. Respect my motherfucking IMDb credits, motherfucker. You big for nothing bastard. You know what I'm saying? You think just because you got a big ass black t-shirt on that you intimidating me? You are. I'm going to just walk away and go back to my Uber and go home forlornly. Thank you.
You gave him a good run, though.
I did.
I like that. I like
you. Know what I'm saying?
You showed you wasn't buns.
I'm a changed man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Look at the range, fam.
Old Mero wouldn't go through that, though.
You know what I'm saying?
Old Mero wasn't puss.
You know what? Fuck that. We going back. AKA CC Dab back. Y'all do dabs till I pass out on IG Live. AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmirrak. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got my kids training with Melo, finessing 101, how to get paid by multiple NBA teams because I'm the fucking dad of the year.
Finesse.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitten Smack Biombo. AKA Diego Maradona. AKA digging your baby with tumble. You know, coming this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Okay? A.K.A. David Trisdale,
it's
motherfucker.
True.
You know what I'm saying? Pow, pow, nigga, take that for data. A.K.A. Barlow Santana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car, then flee the scene. A.K.A. the Dominican David Daddy. A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on that shit.
Swipe it.
You know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask for selfies and on my mom's birthday. You know what I'm saying? Kevin,
on your mom's birthday?
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
That's right. They're real Bodega Hive. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So Kevin, if you like your little Target cashier job, you know what I mean? Put the fucking couch cover in the bag and keep it pushing, asshole. You know what I'm saying? No, I do not want 5% on the
5% off your purchases today?
No, I do not want to sign up. No, I do not
get the fucking Target card. You come in 2 times a week. Get the card. Get the card.
Hey, calm the fuck down.
You got it.
Calm the fuck down.
You got it, Poppy. You know
what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. I'll give it to your madrina. Froggy style on stage at La Marina. I don't care. It's closed, my nigga. I'm so nasty.
That's even more disrespectful.
Yeah.
Like nigga cuts open the gate.
Yeah, wire cutters and
to blow your grandma's back out in a closed La Marina. There's like crates and shit.
Yeah.
It probably says like "Do not enter."
Yeah.
This nigga, and it's cold too.
Cold.
Your grandma got her cheeks up against the Hudson River, just getting her splashed.
This nigga's wearing nothing but a shearling and Chelsea boots.
This nigga found like an old beer behind the bar that they left from the summer and shit. This nigga like cracks it like Steve Austin over your grandma. Wow, the visuals. The visuals. Don't do my nana like that.
Yo.
They got her little Puerto Rican coquille flag tattoo rocking. Like, yeah.
Just jiggling mad hard.
Give it to me the way Tito Puente used to.
Oh my God.
That's just the sound of his balls here, your grandma's long ass titties. It's like those fucking balls in the office. Like,
oh no.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Relax. Okay. Light no touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that your broke ass ain't got five. Bro, you got five, bro. We off that, bro. We order weed now, bro. Like we order weed on the phone. Like
I keep $5 in my penny loafers.
You know what I'm saying?
Just in case of an emergency.
Just in case. You know what I'm saying? And I take that shit out mad wet and pay for my bag of chips at the bodega. Like I don't care, nigga.
You ain't going to no bodega, no penny loafers. My God. If I ever found video of you in the bodega penny loafers, only time it's ever acceptable.
After church.
After church, you just got out of court, or you're at a wedding in a town you don't really understand. You be like in the Brooklyn weather and shit. You like, yo, they ain't serving food till 6.
What?
Hold on, let me get us. Yo, mom, I'm gonna get us some combos and shit.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back.
You two on the pizza joints or the blue cheese?
You
All right.
Oh, you with the tacos?
Oh, you a
too?
classy bitch? All right,
Okay,
cool,
I bet. I see you.
All right, cool.
Hey, Tom Brady, you got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to cheat my way to another ring. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. AKA Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? Been doing this. AKA Brian L. Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? And if Bill don't flip your coal, it's not official. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
AKA
Except no imitations.
been bossing. My hands are gifted. I can surgically close and reopen anything. I've opened spines, nigga. Reopen the government, you fucking coward!
Who said that? Who said that?
Whoa.
We're going to have some decorum in the press pool.
Whoa.
Dr. Ben Carlson has saved many people's lives. He doesn't have to put up with this. He once stopped a jukes at a Popeyes organization.
Right. Whoa. You want me to reopen the government? You got too much dip on your chip, player. Can't get the strap. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet because you know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabrosa, AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Listen, baby, man. I was just checking out what hookah was like, man. You're saying it was just helping me, man. She has to sit on my lap in order to organize the hookah cold. You know, come on now. AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown should have caught it down. AKA live from Burnside and University performing between nods. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest freestyle hits like I wanna be the one your DD is sucking and dope sick love. Don't let me lean into traffic because I'm about to get hit by a Toyota Camry driven by a Dominican. AKA listen, mate. I told you once, told you twice, told you thrice, told you quadrice, quintice, even. You know what I'm saying? There's only 2 rock stars left in this world. Bloke. The bloody Bodega Boys.
In it?
Triple B's. B's up. The Bodega Boys, and of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, acting strange because I may have put PCP in it. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met my friend says I'm never gonna fail. AKA, yo, chilling at the crib off edibles, playing Super Smash Brothers Ultimate and counting stacks. It's Barmelo's Anthony
for 3.
Sad.
Damn. Yo, if you see me at Target more smack the pizza dough, trying to read the ingredients in a fucking Ninja Turtle action figure, approach me like a fucking Earthside mammal, dog. I may react erratically, dog. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's party. I'll show up to your kid's party late as fuck. And for my grand finale, I will fall asleep and urinate on my body.
Wow. Yeah, we're not having him back.
AKA, I'll so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Downey and Sierra Mist. You know what I'm saying? You're very welcome. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño. Más frío que 10 abanico. No estamos gente ni coro de tigre arrancado. Así que rueda que tú no tienes. Tú no gastas palomo. Tú no te pareces a mí si fuéramos mellizos, mamá huevo. Para pegarte como yo estoy pegado, tú tienes que pedir permiso. Así que ya tú sabes, tengo cloro como el bleach, mamá huevo. AKA shout out Showtime, shout out Cash Out. Como siempre, shout out Lost Me, shout out DJ Hasan y Zen, que pone la nota. Shout out Basti la Reina, shout out Jubilee, shout out dímelo papi de la lady, Broquete, Hasan, párame de ahí. Shout out Jing and Steve in the building. Shout out to my nigga Ino in the building. You know what I'm saying? One time. Hey. Hasan, párame de ahí, que yo soy hombre serio. Voy para la cabaña. Pero ella pásame la paja porque yo soy un hombre serio. Tengo mujer. Nos fuimos. Me quité. Ya.
Shout out to the new sponsor of the podcast, Duolingo. Duolingo, when you want to know what the fuck your partner just said. It's been episode 144. As always, shout out to the sponsors. We live from the Jam Room Milk Studios.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Number one show, a late night return, February 21st at 11 p.m. on Showtime, the most illustrious network ever. Me and Mero got to get out of here. We got a plane to catch because we are going to Big Dubs.
Yeah.
To get suppositories.
That's right.
For all our homies. We out.
Holla.